This podcast may contain paid advertisements, but more on that later. Welcome to the O'Connor Bootstrap podcast, where I discuss the nuts and bolts of business and leadership, with a focus on bootstrapping a business from the ground up. This podcast is for all entrepreneurs, bootstrappers, and leaders in all walks of life. My goal is to help you grow both personally and professionally. I am your host, Isaiah O'Connor. Today's podcast is brought to you by Audible.com, the world's largest collection of spoken word content, such as audiobooks, podcast, Audible originals, college lectures. They have a lot of content to go take a look at. I've got well over 100 books. I think it's around 120 some odd books. It's really a lot of books. I listen to it all the time. I'm currently just kind of taking a chill and relaxing, listening to the complete Sherlock Holmes when I'm at work. It's really, really fun. It's kind of fun getting the original canon Sherlock Holmes stories. Really fun listen. It's always a fun book to go check out. Remember, while it's important to be on top of your business and hustle, it's also important to chill out and relax. So yeah, you can go check out the complete Sherlock Holmes for free over audible.com/bootstrap with a capital B. That's audible.com/bootstrap with a capital B to sign up for your free 30-day trial. Now they have two options, but the option I recommend is the one that is $14.95 a month after the trial. You get one audiobook per month, 2 Audible originals per month that you keep forever, and you get full access to their streaming library. Very cool deal. It's an amazing deal. I love it. Go check it out, audible.com/bootstrap with a capital B. So today I'm just going to do a short follow-up on the CriCut. I think it's called CriCut. It's CRICUT, CriCut. I don't know, CriCut. That I talked about really tried to kind of go after their user base to build up money to launch their IPO. And I was of the opinion that this was not a smart idea. It's not a great idea to burn your customer base just to get some cash reserves up in order to impress people on the stock market. Matter of fact, from my research, it's always better if you have a company that you're going to go public with to worry about making a company the best company possible and not worry so much about the stock price. Of course, you need to pay attention to it. You got to watch if it's going down. If it's going up, of course, you have to pay attention. But the biggest thing is focus on the company. Don't focus on the investors. Don't focus on just the bottom line. Focus on becoming a great company, and the stock prices will follow. So that's very important. Now, I did mention that I would do a follow-up after the IPO, and the IPO has launched. It's been up for a few days now, and I've taken a look. It started on March 25th by the time it finally went open, and it closed at $17.80. They were hoping to get $20, but the first day they didn't even hit that. Now, they did on April 1st hit $20 closing price, which dropped down to as of today, April 5th, it dropped down to $19.65. So it's trading lower than their projected price. It just barely hit their projected price for one day, but all the rest of the days, looking at the stock price, it was under their $20 goal. That is not a spectacular IPO. That's a very slow opening, mediocre results, not great, and not even hitting their targets, which is what I expected from them going after their customer base in a kind of a greedy move to try to build up cash reserves to boost their stock price. Not a great plan, and it seems to have backfired as predicted. Not horribly. It's not a complete disaster, but it was underwhelming results, mediocre results, and nowhere near the results they were talking about and promoting and expecting. So, again, remember, take care of your core people, take care of your business, make your choices around providing value for your customers. And when you do that, when you provide more in value than you take in money, then you will definitely do a lot better. Don't focus on stock price. Don't focus on trying to get all that cash in. It's important, but you got to get value. Take care of your customers. Take care of your employees. Provide great value. Everything else will follow that. Now, this is going to be just a little bit of a spoiler, not even a spoiler, but a hint. Value is so important. There's some guys I've written books about this, and on this upcoming Friday, I will be having a author of a book where I got the whole idea of value from one of the main books, and it's going to be great. It's coming up soon. Go check it out. I will be dropping tips over on my O'Connor Bootstrap podcast Facebook page and my O'Connor Bootstrap book club page. Go check it out. It's going to be a great interview. I'm getting really excited about it. Talk to you guys later. You have a great night. Great day. Bye-bye. If you found value in this content, please leave a comment and give us a 5-star rating on whichever podcast platform you use. We are on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, Google Podcasts, and most other podcast platforms. If you would like to support us, you can check out our sponsor links, or if you would like to directly support the show, you can donate or join our membership program at buymeacoffee.com/bootstrap. Of course, it really helps when you share these podcasts as well. If you would like to interact with me and other bootstrappers and leaders, you can join our O'Connor Bootstrap Podcast Facebook group. You have been listening to the O'Connor Bootstrap Podcast and Atheoz Business Solutions Podcast. For our companion podcast, the Atheoz Business Podcast, hosted by Jason St. Clair, past episodes, and related blogs, check out our website at www.atheoz.com, which is www.atheoz.com, or theoz.com. Until next time, I've been your friendly neighborhood entrepreneur, Isaiah O'Connor.